Good morning, I'm Anthony here. Alright, girlfriend's inside watching TV, so I have the video outside. But go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good YouTube stuff. Let's get this video circulating so more people can see the information and subscribe to the channel. Because everyone needs to learn how to own their lives. As I said, the majority of people don't. They go to work every day, they come home, they live for the weekend. There's no way to live your life, y'all. If you're not waking up excited and enjoying what you're about to go do, like, I don't care if you work at McDonald's or Walmart. If you're not waking up excited about going there to do that, you should be doing something else. But like I said, you need a secure income, or well, not secure, because having a job is not secure. It's actually insanity. But you need a source of income that comes in with it. That'll cover your expenses while you're building your home-based networking business. Because starting out, you're not going to be making a lot of money quickly. It's going to take time. It's going to take dedication. But you do something long enough and persistently enough, it will eventually bear fruit. So just keep diligently putting in the efforts over time. That's why I make videos every day. Like I said, yeah, my channel is monetized, but I think I made maybe 20 cents the whole time it's been monetized. I don't know, it's probably a couple dollars by now, but not enough for YouTube to pay anybody. And like I'll tell everyone in the videos, like, I'm not trying to monetize or make money on my YouTube channel. I'm not trying to be a YouTube creator and sensation like Mr. Beast, who makes millions of dollars off his YouTube channel, and he's probably gonna be the first trillionaire because he's got so much influence, and he's selling stuff and branding stuff, and like everybody knows who he is. Gotta give the man props, but he's dedicated a lot of time and a lot of effort to it. I make these videos every morning to educate y'all on a better way of life, how you can enjoy life and share something you're personally benefiting from and make money doing it. It sounds way more fun than going to work at a job you hate all your life. But like I said, you might have to do the job you hate for a while so you can pay your bills. Because, like I said, in the beginning, you're not going to be making a lot of money. You're not. Hey, I've been a customer benefiting from the products and services, the services of my home-based business for almost 9 years. The products of the online wellness shopping club for 4+ years. And yeah, I got some residual income from the online shopping club, and I've made some money with the home-based business, but not enough to cover my expenses, so I'm not financially independent yet. So I still do grub up, and I still invest in cash flow producing assets because I want to set myself up for the best position to be able to own my life. But when you have enough income coming in from your investments, or passive income coming in from your, like I said, your investments or from your home-based business, you're financially independent. Then you work towards financial freedom. Then you work towards financial abundance. Everybody has this opportunity. Most people don't take advantage of it because they only see, oh, I only make so much an hour, or my salary's only this, blah, blah, blah. Don't matter how much money you make, y'all. Start investing in cash flow producing assets, and you'll eventually get to own your life. It's going to take longer. That's why I do that. Plus, I build my home based networking business, and I refer people to the largest online wellness shopping club because it's another source of income. They're both source of income that have the potential of building unlimited income streams out of them. I can share and refer as many people as I want to the financial protection plan to help them get their finances in better shape. I can share the online wellness shopping club with as many people as I want to help them shop for better quality products. And as a shopping benefit, I get a referral fee every time. So it's a no-brainer. Create multiple sources of income. And that's not just multiple ways of earning money. Trading your time for money is earning money. It's like Bitcoin. You make a crap load of money trading it if you're at the right time, but you're trading your time for money. You're still earning money. Cash flow producing assets to pay you passive income is passive. I like passive. That's why the realtor I went and sat down with yesterday, I emailed him because he emailed me after we got on the thing. I opted out of the listings. I'm like, yeah. Well, I'm just confused. I'm like, bro, if you've sold 62 houses this year, that's why you're one of the top in the Keller Williams. That's awesome. He said he made seven. I'm like, so, well, why do you do it? How much time did you invest in selling those 62 houses? Like if you have all these investments that you claim and they're producing passive income, why are you not duplicating the effort you're putting into your investments to produce more passive income so you can enjoy your life instead of spending your whole life selling? He's like, oh, he made $700,000 this year so far, and he used that money to invest. I'm like, oh, I didn't want to go into it. I didn't want to be like, yeah, that's awesome. He's like, so that's why this is business. I'm like, oh, cool. So, is it really your business, or are you simply self-employed? And you never went back because I'm like, a business pays you whether your personal efforts are involved or not. Self-employed is trading your time for money. He's a glorified salesman selling real estate. In which I was like, hopefully he's smart because he said he has a tax guy and all this. I'm like, if you made $700,000 as a self-employed individual, I hope you got enough tax write-offs from your investments that you're not gonna owe a crap load of money during tax time. Most people don't plan for that; they're not used to that. But hey, more power to them if it works out for them. But me personally, I wasn't in line with them. I'm like, all right, if you're spending all this time selling properties, which he might have sold 62 properties this year because the correction with the code, everyone was selling their houses and like it was a buyer's market. Well, it was a seller's market because prices were astronomical. So he probably got a nice little commission check for all the houses he did sell. But that's one time. You invest in real properties, that's money that comes in monthly. You invest in fix and flips, that's one time commission every time you flip it. That's what he does. I'm like, oh, cool. I'm like, but dude, why are you not? Like, if I'm not in line with someone, I'm not gonna work with. I'm like, why are you not focused on duplicating your passive income streams? That way, you can spend your time. You and your wife can spend your time doing what you want instead of constantly hustling for that next sale. As I saw some after I said the whole thing about the business makes you money whether your personal efforts are involved or not. I'm like, so you're saying you currently have the time and money to do what you want when you want? Said those two questions you never answered back to me. Like, it's hard whenever you're trying to convince people your life is so much better than it actually is when it's not. Hey, you might sell a crap load of stuff and make a lot of money. That's awesome. Congratulations. Are you smart with that money? Are you investing in cash flow producing assets? Are you getting tax write offs? Or are you paying half your money into taxes? Be smart, y'all. Start working towards owning your life, create cash flow producing assets, and create a home based networking business. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know how you're creating your passive income, what you're doing to work towards owning your life, and y'all have a great day.